So you want to know what cleaning supplies and equipment you'll need to launch your cleaning business? I'm so glad you asked. I'm so glad that you asked before you went to go buy anything because the answer is nothing. You do not need any supplies and equipment to launch your cleaning business, or at least the way that I teach it. Okay. My name is Jasmine Tates, and I teach people literally whether they have a background in cleaning or not, whether they are 9 to 5, cubicle working, office working, lawyer, doctor, nurse, okay, whatever profession, young entrepreneur just starting their game, okay, you do not need any cleaning supplies to start. Now, for my solo cleaners, you're trying to convert to the remote model. Put away your cleaning supplies. Use it for your house, baby, because you don't have to use it again to clean your clients' homes. Okay. Now, I know that you're wondering, well, what do our cleaners need? I will go over that, but I first want you to know that for you, the business owner of a remote residential cleaning company that is running it based off of the referral model, right? Where that looks like we find our ideal client, right? We know where we're putting our company. We know our prices. We know our marketing strategies. We just need our cleaners. We need good, reliable, dependable, experienced cleaners to provide our cleaning services, right? We find our clients. We marry them together. We charge our client a fee. We pay our cleaner a percentage of that fee, and then we collect the difference. It is our cleaners' responsibilities, which is our independent contractors, our 1099 contractors, whatever it is that you want to identify them with. And also, here's my little disclaimer. Okay, please make sure you guys do your due diligence and some research to find out what are your local laws, state, county, for operating and working with 1099 contractors, because some states do require some different things. Okay, so that's your homework. All right. But with you specifically, you don't have to have any cleaning supplies. You don't have to go buy it. You don't have to store it. You don't have to prepare it. Now, working with the W-2 model to where you actually hire cleaners, yes, it is required that you provide them with cleaning products and cleaning supplies and cleaning equipment, mop, broom, vacuum, dust mop, all the things, and also have a place to store it. Yo, that's insane. You're taking, with the remote model, you're taking the very low expense model besides your marketing expenses to doubling, tripling that amount just by having to have a place to store it. Okay. So we are going to bypass that. Now, for your cleaners, because you're like, well, Jazz, what do I need to make sure that my cleaners have? The goal is to make sure that you are partnering with, hiring and contracting cleaners that have the experience. They know what products to use, right? I remember when I first started cleaning, because I started my business with me cleaning first, I just didn't know better. Okay. Once you know better, you do better. All right. Learn from my mistakes. Okay. You don't have to start this business with you cleaning. You don't need to get your feet wet. You don't need to put in some elbow grease. You don't need to put in some equity to start this business with this way. I have helped people from start to finish, research to launch, without them doing any of the physical cleaning. Okay. So it can be done. But I remember when I first started, I didn't know what cleaning products to use, right? I mean, yes, I clean my own house and I'm pretty good, but I'm using Windex on glass shower doors, okay? And that just was not flowing, right? An experienced cleaner is going to know the right products to use, because not because of the fancy names or because it smells really good. It's because it's efficient and it saves time. The goal is to really cut back and save time, so that way you can provide an excellent service at an excellent pace and get to the next client. Okay. So with that being said, I will provide a link to a list inside the comments of everything that you'll need to know to ask that your cleaners have. Okay. So of course, your essentials, your towels, cleaning products for the bathroom, kitchen, and multi-purpose, your vacuum, mop, and broom, your dust mop, not dust mop, like your high-rise duster. I feel like I should get this patent, and anybody that does, you little thievers. No, I'm playing. I took in the area we service, we have like really high ceiling houses, and I'm kind of short. Y'all don't know, but I'm like I'm a little short. Okay. So I used to buy this. I bought this mop stick that's really, really long that stretches to like 16 or 18 feet. It's an industrial one that I had bought, a commercial industrial one. And I took a dust head, like one of them foam dust heads that look like when my hair gets out the shower, like, ooh, right? And I screwed that on top of the mop stick, and that was like my duster. I know, right? Super dope. Look, it was so good I almost choked on myself. Okay. But no, for real. So and then I step up stool because I look, that must be a sign I need to get that patent. Okay. Yes, God, I hear you. Okay, I'm gonna get patent. But and then a step up stool because I'm kind of short. So just those essential tools that anybody would need to have to clean their homes and to clean their clients' homes. Okay. So I will post a link in the comments so that way you guys can have it and you'll kind of be in the know, because yes, there is a little bit of a process with trying to launch, and you may not know a lot of the things that happens inside of the cleaning business. But if you're needing to know some of those, if you're wanting to know some more about what the operations of the day-to-day looks like, then I would suggest you guys join our upcoming master workshop. In our upcoming master workshop, I go over a lot of the building process of how to hire cleaners, find cleaners, build out your lead generations, build out your booking funnels, your booking platform, and then going over a lot of key essential SOPs. Basically like my best practices that I use to prevent refunds, disputes, to help with increasing profitability, help with increasing scalability, help with converting one-time clients to reoccurring clients, help with my close rate of sales. So I go over a lot of that information in great detail during the 2-day live virtual master workshop. It's about a 5 to 6 hour class, depending on how large the class is and questions that's coming in. But it's an amazing class because you're able to get a lot of information in a short amount of time. So if you love this video and you love the information that was shared, even though it's like pow out straight to the point, right? Then you're going to want to come to the master workshop so that way you can get even more information, spend a little bit more time with me, ask those questions that you have, get the clarity, understanding that you need. And then also want to challenge you to upgrade to VIP so that way you can book a free one-on-one call with myself. So that way we can get some one-on-one time, go over your business structure, talk vision, talk plan, talk strategy. So that way we can set you up for success. Okay. So until next time, I will see you guys later. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do all the things of all the things. Okay. And let's launch some very, very successful cleaning business. See y'all later.